Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, Miss and my friends. My name is Widya Yulansari. My nickname Widya. NIM P0712032073. I am from Prodi D3 Keperawatan Merauke, level 1, semester 2. Here I will explain two material. Di sini saya mau menjelaskan yang pertama ada A, terminology of respiration system. The respiration system yang pertama ada nasal cavity, nostril, epiglottis, pharynx, larynx, trachea, primary bronchus, pleural cavity, right lung, left lung, and diaphragma. Bagian B ada terminology of blood circulation. Yang pertama ada pulmonary alert. Yang bagian B ada terminology of blood circulation. Yang pertama ada pulmonary artery, tulang, vena cava from head and body, right atrium, tricuspid valve, right ventricle, muscle, aorta, to head and body, pulmonary vein from lung, left atrium, semilunar valve, bicuspid valve. Lanjut bagian C ada the meaning of the respiratory system. Respiratory system is human is a system to inhale the oxygen from the air and exhale the carbon dioxide and water vapor. The purpose of respiratory process is to gain energy, but do you know how exactly the respiratory system works? Respiratory system is human, begin from the nose, the air that circulates when breathing usually comes in through the nostril atau nares, left and right, rather than through the mouth by the time the air comes in. It is filtered by the nasal hairs inside the nostrils. When breathing, the diaphragm muscle contract. The position of diaphragm becomes stirred so that the chest cavity expands. Along with the contraction of the diaphragm muscle, the rib muscle also contract. It is also make the cavity expand. Because of the expansion of the chest cavity, the pressure in the chest cavity reduces. It makes the air that comes toward nose then go to alveolus in the lung. The air absorbed through the alveoli will enter the capillaries and then spread to pulmonary vein or lung vessels. The oxygen that moves through blood vessels to the heart, which then pump the oxygen right borne to all parts of the body. Finally, the air containing carbon dioxide released through the nose when breathing out or exhalation. Bagian D ada the meaning of the blood circulation. The circulation system or cardiovascular system or what is commonly called the circulation system, is an organ system that functions to move substances and nutrients to and from cells. This system also helps stabilize body, the temperature and pH, part of homeostasis. There are two types of circulation system: an open circulation system and a closed circulation system. Circulation system, which is also part of the performance of the heart and a work of the vessels atau cardiovascular system, is formed. This system ensures the survival of the organism, is supported by the metabolism of every cell in the body, and maintains the chemical and physiological properties of body fluid. First, blood transport oxygen from the lung to the cell and carbon dioxide in opposite direction atau shear respiration. Second, what is transported are nutrients derived from digestion, such as fat, sugar, and protein from the digestive tract in the respective tissue to consume according to ternate process of stored the resulting metabolism or waste products atau such as urea or uric acid are then transported to other tissues or excretory organ atau kidneys and larger intestine. Also distributes blood like hormones, immune cells, and part of the clotting system in the body. Circulation process. The blood circulation process aims to circulate the blood, which contains nutrients for every cell of the body. The circulation process has its own path, based on the pathway and the substance is carries. The circulatory system is divided into two types, namely the large circulatory system and the small circulatory system. Large circulatory system. The large circulatory system is a circulatory system that transported oxygen-rich blood from the heart to the rest of the body and then back to the heart. The step in this process begins when blood pumped by the heart in the left ventricle atau left ventricle will enter the aorta and the arteries, then into the capillaries throughout the body. From the capillaries throughout the body to the venous process to the vena and vena cava, and finally to the heart again in the heart of the right atrium. Atrium dexter. The circulation is the head atau left ventricle, aorta, arteries, capillar atau whole body, veins, and heart atau right atrium. Small circulation system. The small circulation system in the circulation system for the head to the lung, back again to the heart, carrying blood containing carbon dioxide. The circulatory process begins when blood is pumped in the right ventricle atau ventricle dexter out or the pulmonary artery to the lungs. In the lungs of the alveolus there is an exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. From the lung, the blood returns to the pulmonary vein and goes to the heart of the left atrium. The circulation is the heart atau right ventricle, pulmonary artery, lungs, pulmonary vein, and heart atau left atrium. Demikian presentasi singkat dari saya. Bila ada kesalahan kata mohon dimaafkan. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon and thank you.